This is the easiest and beautiful way to play any song without reading. You'll learn the step-by-step method of how to play any song from scratch. We're gonna cover how to search correctly for the song, how to learn and play the chords, and how to turn the same chords in something beautiful and more professional. If you want to learn how to play the piano without using sheet music, this video is perfect for you. The first step is to search for the song to get to know the chords. Today, I'm feeling a little bit nostalgic, so as an example, I'm using the song What's Up by Four No Blondes. To do that, just go to Google, type in the song's name, space, chords. In my case, I'm using What's Up, space, chords. Once you find it, just look at the chords. And sometimes, if the chords are too hard for you to play at your current level, just click on the button Simplify, or use the Transpose button to move between the keys. Usually, if your song in the key of C major or G major is the easiest one to play when you are talking about the chords. In our song's example, I'm good with the chords, so let's move on. For the second step, it's time to play the chords you just found. To help you with that, I have a free PDF with all chords that you need to play songs. Completely free, the link is in the description down below. Back to the lesson, we have the following chords to play this song: A major, B minor, and D major. So let's learn how to play them. The first one, A major. You play A, C sharp, E with A on the left hand. You can play always on the left hand. We name this as root. Just a single note or doing octaves, like this. Next, B minor, B, D, F sharp with B. The same thing, you can play just one B or two Bs. Next, D major, D, F sharp, A with D. Same thing, one note or two. And to be more musical, we're gonna play these chords doing a timing, doing a tempo. And for that, you're gonna count until 4 for each chord. For example, A major, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just play and hold it, and then move to the next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go back to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I do that in music, we call this as chord progression. What I mean, I have the same chords, but I put them in an order specifically proposed to play the songs. This is the chord progression. And by the way, if you're looking for a piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. Now you already know the chords and how to play them counting the tempos. But it's time to turn those chords into something more interesting to play and hear. And for that, we're gonna use the rhythm patterns, which means a different way to move the chords, not just play and hold it or just repeating. And the good news, this rhythm pattern works for so many songs. Let's get started with A major as an example. You play everything together and then repeat only the right hand 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And make sure to play the left as well and hold it. Just remember, you can play just the root or doubling. Again, 1, 2, 3. After that, you're gonna play the top two notes together. It doesn't matter the notes, just play the top two, and then the bottom note, like this. Playing the whole pattern together, you sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it for the pattern. And then just apply to the other chords. B minor, same thing. You play everything together 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then top two notes, bottom note. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and D major, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and everything together 3 times. Top two notes, bottom. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go back to A major. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. We cover the chord progression and the pattern. And just to make sure to be easier to you follow this, let me play one more time, counting those tempos. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 you can apply this method into any type of song, just playing by chord as an accompaniment. And to show you that, now I'm gonna play this song with the vocals. Now, the next step for you is to learn more rhythm patterns like this. And to learn how to do that, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next piano tutorial. Ciao!